Every well-known brand does A plus content in order to increase its revenue. But at the end of the month, they find out that their revenue didn't reach the expectation. Do you know why this happened? Actually, this is not for having well-structured A plus content of the product. It is not like that you have an A plus content for your product, so your revenue will increase. Instead, you need a well-structured A plus content for your product that can help you to gain a possible revenue increase. You guys may know about A/B testing. It is a weapon to find the good as well as the bad A plus content. You can also check out our channel Ecomclips to know more about A/B testing. We have been working on A/B testing since the starting of 2020 when Amazon launched this test to find out the good and bad A plus content. And with our experience, we can easily say which A plus is good and which one is bad. In our opinion, there is three possible steps. Number one, enough USP. USP stands for unique selling point. When you are selling any product, you need to show the unique specialty of your product so the customers get interested in your product. Focus on your product specialty. What is special about your product? That is, customer will buy yours, not others. If we see some examples like your product having Bluetooth feature or waterproof or may have the feature of AI technology, you have to work on those special points so that the customer find it easily. Secondly, avoid bulk information. We think we reach information as much as we can and this will help me to get customers attention. So when we do A plus content, we add much information as we can, but this will not help increasing revenue or get customers attention. You need to keep in mind that information rich but not information heavy. You can simply show your information with icon or any related image or differentiate them from others. Let me show you a good example. If you see this particular A plus banner, you will find everything clearly with a clear knowledge. There is no gathering of no options to get confused. We use icons, images to make information clear and also show the difference between ours and others' customer product, and we show what is special about our product and what we are offering. Here is a bad example of A plus content. If you look at this particular A plus, you will find it very dense with information, so you will lose the information you want. Whether you want to buy the product, but after seeing an A plus with bulk information, you can't specify your requirement. So you will skip the product. This happens when you add a bulk information but not in a proper way, or we might say not in a user-friendly way. This makes the A plus look congested. Third and most important point is cross-sell. Let me tell you a story of a man. He went to a stationery shop to buy a pencil. So he asked the shopkeeper, "Do you sell pencils?" But the shopkeeper said, "I don't sell pencils, but you can buy an eraser or a sharpener." So he bought an eraser instead of a pencil. After buying an eraser, the man left the place. The shopkeeper sold him an eraser, one that is relevant to pencil. So here what we understand is, when we are looking for a thing to buy and didn't find the right thing, we can buy relevant kind of product. This will be possible by adding a comparison chart to your A plus content with relevant products. Customers can buy relevant products from the chart for this cross-selling method. But if you add that product which you did A plus content to the comparison chart, you are blocking one sale. Only add relevant products to the comparison section. Let's take a look at this A plus page. A beautiful cushion with some amazing lifestyle created by our team with a wonderful arrangement. In the comparison chart section, we add the other cushion of the same brand to do cross-selling that customer may like. But when you add the same product in the comparison, you are blocking one section, and this will make a loss in the cross-selling method. These are the three basic steps you need to follow for well-designed A plus content. If you follow these steps in an appropriate way, you will find your expected sales within a time period. So if you want good impression of your product and want to have well designed A plus content for your product, you can contact us. We, Ecomclips, has the best experience and best Amazon experts. We are ready to help you with our experience. If you need any help regarding A plus content, you can contact us via email, which is info@ecomclips.com. And also you can check out our website, which is www.ecomclips.com. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel Ecomclips and click the bell icon to get the notification for our next video. Thank you.